Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a Dodge Challenger with PVC pipe. First, gather your materials. You'll need various sizes of PVC pipe, from 1/2 inch to 2 inches in diameter, along with appropriate connectors. Don't forget a good PVC cutter, strong adhesive, and a measuring tape. Having detailed blueprints of the Challenger's dimensions will be crucial for accuracy. Safety first, so wear gloves and eye protection. Next, let's build the foundational chassis and frame. Carefully cut your PVC pipes to match the blueprint dimensions for the Challenger's undercarriage. Use T-connectors and 90-degree elbows to assemble the main structure, ensuring a sturdy base. Pay close attention to reinforcing areas that will bear more weight, like the wheel wells. Double-check that your frame is perfectly level and symmetrical before applying any permanent adhesive. Now, we'll focus on the body panels and intricate details. You can gently heat and shape larger PVC sheets or pipes to form the iconic curves of the Challenger's body. Attach smaller PVC sections to represent headlights, taillights, and grills. For the interior, consider crafting simple seats and a dashboard from smaller pipe pieces. Take your time to smooth all edges and joints for a truly realistic and polished finish. Finally, it's time for the finishing touches and paint. Apply a high-quality primer to all PVC surfaces. This ensures your paint adheres beautifully. Choose an automotive-grade spray paint in your desired Challenger color, applying several thin, even coats. Once dry, you can add custom decals or hand-painted details to personalize your creation. Now, proudly display your one-of-a-kind PVC Dodge Challenger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.